Happy spring, everyone. Here is the evening edition, I guess, weekly weather briefing. I've decided for now on to do this 2 times a week now, once every Tuesday afternoon, although this is a little bit late, and once every Friday afternoon. Anyways, here's a quick look at the upper air look across our country, and you can see we have zonal flow aloft here across the northern and northeastern states, with more of a high pressure ridge across the southwest. Here are the temperatures across the region. Keep in mind some of the stations have been bugging out. I know the one at Manassas has been bugging out. I'm not too sure about the one at BWI Airport, but overall, generally, we're mostly fairly mild for this time of year, with temperatures in the 50s and 40s, with a couple spots in the 30s. Here are the forecasted highs across our region for tomorrow, March 2nd, and you can see relatively average for this time of year. A little warmer down in central Virginia and slightly cooler near the Allegheny front, with highs generally in the low 60s and upper 50s, with some areas getting into the mid 60s further south. Here's our 7-day frontal forecast, which will show the potential weather features that may affect our area throughout the next 7 days. So you can see we have kind of almost a stalled front here, with a weak low roughly over Martinsburg, West Virginia, which will keep our temperatures relatively mild and slightly cooler across Maryland. But this front will gradually lift. This is around 7 p.m. On Wednesday, and you can see the front has lifted northward, bringing some rain to western Pennsylvania and snow to upstate New York. This is 7 a.m. on Thursday, and you can see a relatively weak front has came through, with no precipitation expected behind or ahead of it, except for maybe along the Allegheny front. Temperatures on Thursday will be slightly cooler, with highs in the 40s and 50s, but we're going to warm up pretty quickly after this. This is 7 a.m. on Friday. You can see a high pressure system has begun to build over northeastern Pennsylvania, which will keep our temperatures relatively cool for this time of year, but will prevent any unsettled weather from seeping in during the weekend. And you can see 7 a.m. on Saturday, still a high pressure system, now over New England / upstate New York here. But you can see a system beginning to take shape over Kansas, with a deepening low over northwest Kansas, with maybe some heavy rain across the Midwest and some heavy snow across the northern Great Plains and northern Great Lakes region. 7 a.m. on Monday, you can see another low has begun to take shape across Ohio and Indiana, which will bring some pretty moderate to potentially heavy rain from the deep south all the way into parts of New England. This is the expected rainfall for the next 7 days, and you can see relatively not much, with only 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 inches across the board, with higher amounts west of the Appalachians. Alright, here's the brand new day 6 to 10 Climate Prediction Center outlook, and if this verifies, we'll see above average temperatures and slightly above average precipitation for this time of year. That will do it for this weekly weather briefing, or should I say bi-weekly weather briefing. Stay tuned for the next one, hopefully Friday afternoon, and I promise I will try my hardest to actually deliver.